Here we have a 2016 Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 4x4 DCB. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch Riviera alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We also have the Pride orange metallic exterior paintwork. We have the wide arches. We also have the daytime running lights. We have the front lower nudge bar. Round to the passenger side, you find we have the side steps along the bottom. We also have the grey door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows. Up top we have the roof rails just there as well. We also have the rear load bay cover as well. We have the 4x4 stickers just on the side there. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We have the tow bar at the back. And walking back round to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you find we have the half leather interior with the black and the orange, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points as well. We also have the electric windows on the doors. If we take a look at the front, again the half leather interior. Both these front seats are heated and there is a look at them. We have the WILDTRAK just there as well. Driver's side is electrically adjustable. We have the electric windows just there with a child lock for the rear. We also have the electric mirrors, the auto lights and the auto wipers. A multifunctional steering wheel just there. We also have the speed limiter and the cruise control. Two digital screens either side of the dashboard, along with the main infotainment screen in the centre console, which has the lights of the sat-nav. We also have the DAB radio with the Bluetooth phone connectivity and much more. There is a look at the climate control. We have the 6-speed manual gearbox. We also have the 4-wheel drive high and low settings. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full lot valid, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you would like to find out more, then please check out the website. Thank you for watching.